Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are zooming into one specific part of the Skynet security analysis, the Skynet code score. This one focuses purely on the computer code behind the project. How secure is it? Has it been audited? And what did the auditors find? The Skynet code score evaluates the security of a project's overall code base. It checks the project's security audits, how recent they are, what they covered, and any potential vulnerabilities that were found. It also analyzes the token code itself from 4 perspectives: centralization, addresses, market behavior, and transparency. Has the project been audited? By whom? How long ago? Were the issues fixed? And what does the token's code look like under the microscope? That's what this score answers. Let's take a look at Ethereum with a security score of 98 over 100, pretty good. When we scroll down, we can see the Skynet code with 96%, clearly in green. When you look at the detail on Certic, you see the code audit history. As you can see, it was not audited by Certic itself, but third-party audits are present. The token scan shows the full breakdown, centralization checks, address analysis, market parameters, transparency verification, and for a project like Ethereum, the code has been scrutinized by thousands of developers worldwide over more than a decade. So the green score reflects that maturity and that level of verification. Code security is foundational. If the smart contract has vulnerabilities, nothing else matters. Not the community, not the liquidity, not the narrative. A single exploit in the code can drain funds overnight. That's why this score exists, and that's why you should check it. When it's green, the code has been reviewed and passes inspection. When it's red, there are concerns, and you absolutely need to click through to Certic to understand what the issues are before putting any money in. So remember, you are the analyst. Certic does the heavy lifting on security code analysis. CryptoScores gives you the rest. Skynet code is the code behind the project secure. Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.